San Carlos City, known as the City of Hope, Transformation, and Excellence. City of the Amputilayag, San Carlinians exhibit great braverism, confidence, and love for all. San Carlos City is famous for its sweet mangoes and most especially sturdy bamboo trees. Using the latter, they create amazing handicrafts and other products. Baskets, bags, furniture, and even Bahay Kubo are proud products of the city. Has supported the economy but also countless families and other communities. But with this growth comes the decline in bamboo population, leaving many locals resorting to sourcing their bamboo from other municipalities. What can we do to stop this? What can we do to help? Let us first meet Bambusa blumiana, the most abundant bamboo species in San Carlos City, known for its waxy and thorny appearance. Knowing this, why is bamboo so important?
Well, bamboo has been a part of the local ecosystem, helping with erosion, improving water quality, and aiding in CO2 absorption. So as all plants, actually very effective ang bamboo when it comes to CO2 absorption. So nakakatulong siya sa greenhouse effect. Yung erosion, nakikita natin na madalas yung mga kawayan, nakatanim yan sa riverbanks, sa gilid ng ilog. Na actually, yung mga kawayan na yon, tumutulong talaga sila na hindi gumuho yung lupa. Ganun nakatagal yung industriya ng kawayan dito sa Pangasinan, specifically dito sa San Carlos City. Na 'di ba, ilang hundreds of years na yan. Pero hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin yung industriya ng kawayan at ginagamit pa rin natin siya. So, actually, isa sa mga drivers ng ating ekonomiya is yung pag-export natin ng ating mga ready-made products. Hindi lang sa ibang munisipalidad, hindi lang sa ibang parte ng ating bansa, pero actually nakakarating din yung mga produkto natin sa iba't ibang mga bansa. Tinatangkilik din yan ng mga ibang nationalities. Ganon kaganda, ganon katibay, at ganon tayo dapat maging proud sa ating mga produkto.
Having said that, what other things can we do with bamboo? Recently, a group of student researchers explored the potential of bamboo leaves and branches as a viable source of bioethanol. These are usually discarded as waste in the bamboo industry, so finding a way to utilize them can be sustainable. In addition, it can also aid in the overconsumption of fossil fuels and provide more sources of income for the city. With its importance, all its uses, and potential innovations, Kawayan pushed me to establish Project Kakawayanan, my planned ambassadorship project for year 2024-2025. It aims to promote awareness, encourage community engagement, and kickstart a movement in hopes of governmental support. Here are my projects. Strategic meeting with the student leaders of San Carlos City. Seminar workshop with the students of Speaker Eugenia Perez National Agricultural School. Playing of the workshop recording as part of their capstone classes.
Ng bangko para gawin yung bioethanol. So nakikita natin na bamboo leaves and branches are just source of sa ganyan. So
Launching of the Project Kakawayanan official website. Launching of the Project Kakawayanan petition link.
So yeah, that's it. Thank you for listening. Thank you for giving your time sa akin at sa project na to. Sana through this, 'di ba, magkaroon ng spark, magkaroon tayo ng passion na makabuo ng movement para talagang mapangalagaan, maparami, at makagawa tayo ng mas sustainable way of using kawayan, di ba? So, yes, thank you guys, and I hope to see you soon. Yeah, thank you.